Guys, if you don't know how to change profile picture in Google Meet, I'm here with the complete solution. So let's dive into the today's topic. For this, you need to go to the Meet. After that, at the top right corner, you can see the circle over there. Just click over here at the top. There's a picture over there. And yes, after that, you need to go to the Google account. Click in the Google account. Now you'll come to the next page. And in this page, you can see there's a home, personal info, similarly data and personalization, similarly securities, people and sharing, payments and subscription. So what you need to do here is you need to go to the personal info. When you go to the personal info, you can see the photo. A photo helps personalize your account. Just click here. When you click here, you'll get the option set profile photo. Just click here in the set profile photo. After that, you'll get the take photo and choose photo. If you want to take photo from your device and change it into the profile, then you can go to the first option, and or if you want to choose from the gallery, you can go to the next one. For right now, let's choose the photo from the gallery just once. After that, yes, you can, sorry for this, after that you can select here one of the picture. Let's go from here, let's accept this one. After that, you can see that the setting profile photo. Now the photo is about to set. Yes, sometimes it will take a time, guys, so no need to worry. Here it will take a time. After a few more minutes, then the photo will be updated. But what you need to know here is the photo that is in your Gmail account will get changed. If you are opening your YouTube account from the same Gmail, then yes, then the profile picture of your YouTube or your account will also get changed. So this is how, guys, you can change the profile photo or profile picture in your Google Meet. So let me check once again. Now I think it is updated for right now. Okay, you can see here. Okay, now you can see here my photo is already updated, so it may take few more minutes to update. So no need to worry about it. And so I hope this video is useful for you guys, and if you love my video, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share my video.